There will be a joint session of both the House of Representatives and the Senate on June 12th to celebrate Democracy Day 2025. Mr. President has graciously agreed to be in attendance. So I hope all members will make out time to come for that special session to celebrate democracy in Nigeria. In the absence of any further announcement, the three-man committee of the Senate will join with the three-man committee of the House of Representatives to plan for the June 12th celebration. And then this Senate wants to wish all our Muslim brothers Barakah Salah in future, and also wish all of us happy 29th May swearing in celebration, and also wish you happy Democracy Day celebration, which is June 12th. Leader of the Senate, committee, but since you want formal announcement, we have co-opted you to be a member of the National Security Summit Planning Committee. Abamoro, Senator of the Federal Republic, former Minister of Interior. Yes, Leader of the Senate.
As well as the other programs scheduled ahead of us, be now adjourned till Tuesday, the 17th day of June, 2025. I so move.
The Minority Leader.
Mr. President, as a call
by the Leader and seconded by the Minority Leader that this August Assembly, cognizance of the swearing-in celebration deadline or date of 29th May by Mr. President and many state governors, taking cognizance further of our incoming celebration of the Democracy Day on June 12th, which we intend to have a joint session, and then further the celebration of the Salah, cumulatively that this August Assembly stands adjourned to the 17th day of June 2025. Those in support of this adjournment to 17th of June say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The Senate is accordingly adjourned to 17th day of June 2025 at 11 a.m. prompt.
What's this?